Do you guys love water activities but are afraid of dropping the phone in the water? I personally love going to the beach, so sometimes I do worry about that. But have no fear because the Vuwwey waterproof phone pouch is here to save the day. So this is the 2-pack. You get 2 of these waterproof bags, which are both waterproof. Waterproof means it's completely protected against water. Water resistance just means partially. Alright, so you see this nice waterproof bag right here, IPX8 graded. Alright, so you get 2 of those, and then it comes with 2 of these lanyards with a clip that you can either put it around your neck or around your hand where you're at the beach for added protection. So let's take a look at one of the bags. It measures 10 inches by 4 inches by 0.6 inch thickness, and it weighs a mere 4.9 ounces. And on the top is how you would open and close with this clip. See, you pull it to open it, and then it unveils the inside. All right, let's go ahead and pull this paper and see what it says. Basically, that shows you how to use it. Okay, and here are some warning and tips. Avoid using a hot spring, and to test the bag. Okay, so as you can see, this is a fairly big size, so it should be able to fit phones as small as like iPhone 7 all the way up to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So here is a pretty large size Samsung Note 9, came out 2018 I think, or something like that, with a case on there. So let me go ahead and put that in there. It should fit easily. Okay. All right, it does fit. Cool. All right, so now I am going to clamp it shut. In order to clamp it shut, you have to align it properly. Look on the back, okay? Because there's some notches right here. So you want to stand it vertical, so it goes through these 2 holes in the back. See, like that, and then you press it to close it, and it's airtight now. And notice this extra padded bubble. This is the add buoyancy to it, so it will float on water. So we're gonna test this out real quick. But I also want to mention that this offers screen touch friendly capability. So let's say if I go to my Instagram, see how easily that presses? Glides easily. But it's not fingerprint. You can't use fingerprint unlock on this. But let's say if you were in the water, playing the beach, you can still use it to watch videos, do your social media, but just keep in mind that the fingerprint unlock will be disabled. So I have my iPhone 7 in the bag now. Obviously you will not be able to use the fingerprint unlock because it's blocked by the plastic. Fingerprint readers need to read the fingerprint because I can't even touch it. So now you have to just use this passcode though. I also want to mention that you will not be able to use the rear camera because it's blocked by this pouch and it's not see-through. Alright, so let me attach the lanyard on here. Wow, that's a rugged lanyard. Okay, now I can put it around my neck or simply loop it around my wrists for added protection. That way I can swim or do my sports activity without worrying about dropping or losing the phone. Filling my sink of water, here we go. See, it's floating. Even when I press it down, it floats. All right. Even when I'm in the water, let's say if I go to my Instagram, see, I can still use it. When it's upside down, it still floats. Let me soak it in here. Then we open the pouch later and make sure it's not wet. Here we go, guys, for the moment of truth. Wow, look at that. See, everything works. Amazing. Protect this air pouch at all costs. Don't let it be punctured or pierced because it will disable the buoyancy. Wow, what an absolutely beautiful and hot day. And it's the perfect high tide to test the buoyancy of this foam pouch. Here we go. Wow, the waves are sure kicking in right now. So as you can see, the buoyancy was good. It was able to float along with me. And as you can see, there's no water damage. Otherwise, it would give me an indication that there's moisture in the charge part, but there isn't. So imagine yourself, you know, just playing out in the ocean or at the beach. You don't have to worry about dropping your phone in the ocean. Or if your phone isn't water resistant, with this pouch, it's able to do that. So if you're looking to have a waterproof phone pouch, take with you to the water park, swimming pool, at the beach, fishing, rafting, snorkeling, surfing, all those water sports, definitely give the Vuwwey waterproof phone pouch a look and protect your phone from water damage or ever losing it in the water.